Hey guys, I'm back-ish. So this person who I met on Instagram for like a role play thing that we were doing, I also drew their OC before. You might have seen it in my sketchbook tour. Anyway, they suggested that I show more of my drawing process, like the sketch to finish. And I did that, but it ended up being like an hour long. So I had to cut stuff out because I'm very slow. Yeah. They also suggested I do a challenge where I draw myself and an OC together in one drawing. The example they gave was it be half me and half an OC, the OC. But I have no clue what OC I would do for that. I'm interested in doing it, it's just I'm kind of boring. So me combining an OC with me wouldn't really make it interesting, I don't think. So I want to do it. Maybe I'll do it eventually. Oh, also, fun story for this cicada. I had a reference for it because I took a picture of it. Me, my boyfriend, and a friend went to the fair this year, and while on the Ferris wheel, we found this cicada. It was just chilling on the seat next to my friend. I was the only one that would move it, that would pick it up and move it, so I did, and I put it away from people. Well, after messing with my friend and stuff a little. But I think we disturbed its fun because it flew back to the Ferris wheel after a little bit. Yeah, that wasn't as fun to tell as it was to experience it. But anyway, I like how the drawing came out overall, though I would do a lot of different things differently. Like the bottom. Maybe in like 5 years I'll draw it again. Who knows? I have a lot of things I want to do and haven't done yet. I guess we'll see. Yeah. All that talking, and it's not even halfway done. Sad times. Sad times. I really don't know what else to talk about. Originally, instead of a bottle, it was actually going to be on top of a, turtle. Well, not originally. Originally, I didn't have any idea of what I was going to draw the cicada on. I just drew the cicada and then had to figure out what else I was going to draw around it. Thought it was going to be a turtle. Couldn't draw the turtle. Drew a bottle, odd-shaped, but still a bottle. Then I drew, later you'll see when I color it out, I drew like this like smoky stuff in the background and stuff. Hopefully it didn't come out too like cluttered with the color, because I know I sometimes do that. And yeah, but I had fun. That's the reason you do art, is to have fun and relax and, stuff like that. So I think I'll find some kind of music to put on. Yeah, the person that I was talking about earlier also suggested a YouTube channel to use for music, so that was helpful. I figured out how to do that, and yeah, but it's still gonna be a lot of stuff. Okay, so I sped up the video, trimmed out quite a bit of stuff, and I still can't talk all the whole way through. The video is down to 9 minutes? From an hour video to a 9-minute video. Yeah. I don't know how people can talk so much and be totally find it. I'm just so awkward, and it takes me a lot. If I just keep rambling, I'll get to the end of the video. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be who knows when. Bye.